In silence of the night, I feel your presence near. Your love surrounds me, a whisper in my ear. Like a gentle breeze, you soothe my troubled soul. You're the missing piece that makes me whole. Your eyes sparkle like stars in the sky above. Your smile shines brighter than the sun's warm love. In your arms I find my sanctuary, a place where I am loved unconditionally. With every beat of my heart, I think of you. In a world so chaotic, your love rings true. You're the melody to my heart's song. Together we belong, two souls forever strong. Through highs and lows, we'll face it all. Bound by a love that will never fall. In your embrace I find my home. Together forever, never too long. So here's my heart in words unsaid. To the one I love, forever ahead. In your arms I find my peace. A love so pure, a love that will never cease. The sun until the night, I feel your presence here. Your love surrounds me, a whisper in my ear. Like a gentle breeze, you soothe my troubled soul. You're the missing piece that makes me whole. Your eyes sparkle like stars in the sky above. Your smile shines brighter than the sun's warm love. In your arms I find my sanctuary, a place where I am loved unconditionally. With every beat of my heart, I think of you. In a world so chaotic, your love rings true. You're the melody to my heart. So together we belong, to souls forever strong. Through highs and lows, we'll face it all. Bound by a love that will never fall. In your embrace I find my home. Together forever, never too long. So here's my heart in words unsaid. To the one I love, my forever ahead. In your arms I find my peace, a love so pure, a love that will never cease. Is your arms and words unsaid to the one I love, my forever ahead. In your embrace I find my home. Together forever, never too long. So here's my heart in words unsaid. To the one I love, my forever ahead. In your arms I find head. In your arms I find my peace, a love so pure, a love that will never.
In the quiet of the night, our love fills the air like a melody, so sweet and rare. You're the light in my darkness, the warmth in my cold. In your arms my heart finds its home to hold. Every moment with you, like a dance in the rain. Our love, a symphony. Our love, a symphony without any refrain. Your eyes like diamonds shining bright. With you by my side, everything feels just right. Through the ups and downs, we'll stand hand in hand. Together we'll conquer across seas and land. Your mama, sun in the morning, by night. With you, my love, everything's so alright. So here's my song, a testament to our love. Like a soaring eagle reaching heights above, forever and always, you're my guiding star in this journey of love. You and I, story written in the sky, love so pure it'll never die. Quiet of the night, our love fills the air like a melody so sweet and rare. You're the light in my darkness, the warmth in my cold. In your arms my heart finds its home to hold. Every moment with you, like a dance in the rain. Our love a symphony without any refrain. Your eyes like diamonds, shining bright with you by my side. Everything feels just right. Through the ups and downs, we'll stand hand in hand. Together we'll conquer across seas and land. You're my sun in the morning, my moon at night. With you, my love, everything feels so right. So here's my song, a testament to our love. Like a soaring eagle, reaching heights above, forever and always, you're my guiding star in this journey of love, no matter how far. You and I, story written in the sky. Your love so pure it'll never die. With you, my dear, my soul feels complete. In your arms, my love, I find eternal sea. To get always your way, I find my eternal sea. The sun and dark night, I feel your presence here. Your love surrounds me, a whisper in my ear, like a gentle breeze. You soothe my troubled soul. You're the